In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your voice with Elevenlabs. To get started, open Elevenlabs and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. From there, select the voice changer option. This is the main area where you can take an existing voice recording and turn it into something completely different. If this is your first time using the tool, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the rest of the process feels smooth and easy to follow. Once you are in the voice changer section, the next step is to add your audio. You can do this in one of two ways. If you want to create something on the spot, you can record your audio directly inside the app. This is useful if you want a quick test or you are working in real time. If you already have something prepared, you can upload an existing audio file instead, such as an MP3. Before uploading, it's a good idea to make sure your recording is clear and easy to hear, because cleaner input usually leads to better voice transformation results. After your audio is ready, choose the voice you want to transform it into. You can select a voice from the built-in library if you want something fast and convenient, or you can create a custom voice using text prompts. The library is great for exploring different tones and styles, while custom prompts give you more control over the type of voice you are aiming for. If you are unsure which one to pick, try starting with a preset voice first so you can hear how the tool works before experimenting further. Next, adjust the settings for stability and similarity. These controls help fine-tune how the final voice will sound. Stability usually affects how consistent and controlled the voice feels, while similarity helps determine how closely the transformed result matches the selected voice style. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so it's worth testing a few variations until the sound feels right for your project. When everything is set, click Generate Speech. Elevenlabs will process your audio and apply the voice transformation based on the settings you selected. Once the result is ready, listen back carefully to make sure it sounds the way you want. If needed, you can go back and tweak the settings again for a better result. Finally, download your new audio and save it to your device. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.